Hey everyone, welcome back. Is everything in Cleo working fine except the withdraw, deposit or settings button, which just don't respond no matter how many times you tap them? Here's the fix. The specific pattern where most of the app works but a handful of buttons are dead. It's almost always a UI rendering glitch where the tap layer for those buttons did not load correctly. Rather than an account problem first, force close the Clio completely from your recent apps and reopen it. Then navigate back to the same screen and try tapping those buttons again. Since a fresh app session reloads the tap layer for most people. If the buttons are still unresponsive, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps and find the Cleo app, then offload the app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and reinstall it completely fresh from the App Store, which fully resets the app's interface files. Before reinstalling, make sure you remember your Cleo's login details. After reinstalling, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to Software Update and install any pending iOS updates since outdated iOS versions are a common cause of specific buttons failing to register tabs in Finance apps. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen first, then offload and reinstall if the button says dead. And keep iOS updated. The buttons will respond again and that's it. Subscribe.